Alright, so just to kind of show you, kind of the aspect of there's really no time off. Clock on the wall says about 11:20 at night. I normally am up until between 2 and 5 a.m. most nights, and I don't sleep more than 3 or 4 hours anyway, but that's a personal issue, not necessity. Nonetheless. So here I am in the middle of the night. I'm actually in my living room at this point. I'm going to attempt to burn at least the outline of this, if not complete the burning, right here on camera. Funny enough, the camera is being held up by the very device that I'm trying to build to go along with these coasters to actually make a profit, proving that its functionality is actually quite useful. It's the first time I've had a good place to mount my phone to record myself on stuff like this. It's a good idea. Let's see if I can make money off it. But first, let's learn how to burn wood properly while inside a living room. Nothing can possibly go wrong. I don't have a way to erase this, so there's some of the stuff that won't be there once it's sanded. I mean, don't get me wrong, for just having to stencil it in and first time freehand burning, I don't think it's too bad. I mean, clearly designed to be this way, right side up. Clearly would prefer to be this way. So be it. Hence art. Art kind of pretty well does what it wants when it wants. But I'm going to turn this thing off, let it cool down, put a new tip on, start burning this thing, because the very next thing I have to do is to actually burn the design to the device that's holding the phone currently. See, it's the same angle. If I left this up. So that's the next piece. So I gotta burn that. I gotta burn that design in. I'm gonna attempt to do that tonight. If it does get at least burnt, I'll maybe film it. Maybe I want to wait till it gets sanded. Not real sure, but you get the general idea. It's now 11:35, so I'm just gonna keep going until I fall asleep. Tends to be the way a lot of nights go. Another step in the journey. Oh yeah. Alone. I don't live alone. She's asleep. She needs it. She works hard. This journey is alone, like it or not. Love you. Good luck.